These are the elevators at the S building at RIDC Keystone Commons in East Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. These originally probably Schindler. I think the permit number said 995, or maybe they were Westinghouse. But the permit number was wrong, but they were modernized by Otis with Innovation version 2017. Kind of weird how they use innovation, not their proprietary. Yeah, they were definitely 90s Schindler. Oh, that's really low. 4? I didn't realize there was this few floors. Here we go. That took forever to level. Yeah, that does something to notice the original one. I didn't think these hydro, I thought these were traction and go back down to 1. 1 gang. It's basic blue cats. I think it's original, but they painted it. The light blue. There's certificate. Yeah, again, 1995. So these were probably MT originally. I don't know why they were not MTs, but whatever. There is apparently a freight in this building too. Schindler did an alt on it in 2016, but I don't know if it was a mod or if it was some other work. Right on. It takes forever to level. Doors take forever too. Those are not really efficient. Vehicles is not going to be it.